Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video I will demonstrate how we can control a smartboard using Google Assistant. For instance, okay Google, turn on the light.
I have turned the light on.
Turn off the light.
I have turned the light off.
Perfect. Interesting, right? So we will go in detail how we can make such a smart bulb controlled by Google Assistant. Let's begin with the required components.
Let's begin with the items required. First, we need a smart bulb. In my previous video, I had described in detail how to make a smart bulb from the scratches. Then we need a Wi-Fi module. This is ESP8266 module, very cheap Wi-Fi module, which helps us to connect our device with the Wi-Fi. Then we need a programmer. This is a programmer which we can use to program the ESP8266 module. In the previous video, I hadn't added this to LED, but in this video, I'm adding this to LED with this setup so that I can monitor before connecting to any devices to see whether the pins are responsive to the commands we are giving. Then we need a FTDI module because to connect this setup with the USB, we need a FTDI module, and I will connect this here, and I will fix the ESP module here. And in the circuit, you can see this switch I'm pressing so that the GPIO port 0 will get connected to the ground. That will make this device in the flash mode. Then after we done the programming, I disengaged the GPIO 0 pin from the ground so that it will go to the normal mode. Then I have to press the reset button to run the program from the memory here. Now we need to access these two sites, io.adapter.com, then ifttt.com. With these both sites, we are making some tokens and feeds which enables us to send and receive commands from the Google Assistant to our IoT device. First we will go with the io.adapter.com. Here we can create a free account. So give all your details, then create a free account. I already have created an account, so I'm going to log in with that. Once you logged in, you can go to this IO settings. Then here you can start giving our feeds and everything. So here I go to the feeds, I go to view all, then I add a new feed. The feed name I will give like a bulb, for example, and I will just create. So that's it for now with this particular site. Now I will move to the iFTTT account. Here also I will go to the sign up, and here I will continue with the Google. It will pop up with the existing Google accounts. So here I'm giving this account, and with this particular account only I have logged into this Google device. So I make sure whether the same account, and I will log in. Here I have to type password. Yes, so it's getting logging in. Now we have to create some tokens. So I click create. Then we have to add the Google Assistant. Here I will search the Google Assistant, and here choose the say a simple phrase. So what do you want to say? I would mention here, turn on the light, and here you have to mention what do you want the assistant to say in response. So I will mention here, I have turned on the light. Then I create the trigger. Then we have to add the condition, what it has to do there, and have to choose this adapter. Normally sometimes it will ask to link with that sometimes. So if it's asking to link, a new window will pop up somewhere and you have to click authorize there. Now I have authorized, so the other route, the same feed we created here, the bulb already reflected here. Then here I have to give send the token should be on. the token will be passing between the Google Assistant and IoT device. Then create action. Then click continue. I enable this one, then finish. Now we have finished our on command. Okay. If you say turn on the light, then send data to the bulb feed. So that is really done. Now we have to do the same for the off command. So I will click create again. To wait. Then I will again add some Google Assistant. Say a simple phrase. What do you want to say? I will say turn off the light. Then in response Google has to say off. I have turned the light off. Then I create trigger. Once the trigger is getting created, then what to do? So I add. Then I will choose the Adafruit. Then automatically this will send data to Adafruit IO. The same will come here again, and here I have to mention off. Create action. Then continue. And I enable it here. Then finish my task. So here it comes. You say turn off the light, then send data to bulb feed. So our task has done here. Now we have to go to the programming. The programming, this is a complete programming code I have given here. The code already given in the link. Everything is set. Only few things you have to change here. You have to give your modem SSID here and the password here, and again this IO username and IO key. From where you have to get it. To get that one, you have to go to your IO feed, then click on my key. So a new window will pop up here. So you have to copy this. This is my username, which I already copied here. Here. Then the next item is the IO key. This is the IO key. That also I have copied here. Then coming to here, the feed name which I have created. The feed name I have created is the bulb. You see here bulb. That also I have mentioned here. If you are giving something else like LED, light, fan, whatever, you can clear there. And I have added these steps for my convenience, because each time when you get connected to the Wi-Fi, I want to check whether it has get connected. So there are two LEDs I have mentioned in the setup, one green and one red. So they will be flickering one after the other for 3 times. Whenever it comes, it will be blinking. Further we moving down. These are the 2 tokens we created in the ISP server, the on and the off tokens. Each time when you say on and off, what it has to execute, the on bulb command and the off bulb command has to execute. So those 2 functions I am calling here. Those are the 2 functions I'm calling here for the action. And nothing else, everything else are set. Now the main thing is you have to load these libraries. How to add the ESP into the adapter into the Arduino IDE, I have mentioned in my previous video, and here you have to add this particular header here. You have to go to the sketch, include library, manage library. In the window you can add this one, and everything is set. Now you have to choose the port. It's already set. Now I will upload the code into the ESP module. Yeah, here my uploading has done. Now I will turn on serial monitor here. And here the baud rate. The baud rate recommended by this ESP manufacturer is 115200, and I will choose that. Now I will switch my ESP module from flash mode to programming mode. For that I will disengage my GPIO 0 from ground. Then I will reset it. Once it gets connected with the Wi-Fi, my LEDs will be blinking. Now
All our work has completed. I will take our IT module for the setup, and I will take the bulb. I will fix the IT module in the bulb. I will close it. Now our bulb is ready for testing. Okay, our connections are ready. The bulb is connected, and I'm switching on the bulb. It will flicker for a while. As per our program, once it's got Wi-Fi, it will flicker for 3 times. You will wait until it flicker for 3 times. Yeah, it's get connected with the Wi-Fi. Now it's ready to take any command. So this is a Bluetooth speaker. I connected with my phone, so I can use it like okay Google, turn on the light.
I have turned the light on.
Okay Google, turn off the light.
I have turned the light off.
Yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked, please subscribe and share. Until I come with a new idea, bye bye.